Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wanted to control who can follow your updates on Facebook? Today I'm showing you how to add or remove the follow button on your Facebook profile. Let's dive right in. First, log in into your Facebook account on a desktop browser or your browser. This is easier to navigate than the app for the settings. Now click on the three horizontal bars at the top right of the screen. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Here on the button of Tools and Resources, tap in Privacy Checkup. Scroll down, here you can find how people can find you on Facebook. Click on it. Tap on Continue. You're now in control who can send you friend request. So whether you want everyone to send you friend request or you can choose between friends of friends. That's open you. Then click on Next. So here you can see who can we suggest your profile to based on your phone number or email address. You can edit it, then click on Next. And also you want to choose, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile? If you don't want it, then you can switch the toggle off, and that's it. You're in control of your followers now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.